Hotel check-in adventure. Wow, this place is fancy. Way fancier than the photos.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Plaza. Checking in?
Yes, hi. I have a reservation.
Perfect. Can I have your name, please?
It's Mia Chen. Chen.
Mia Chen. Let me look that up for you.
This is my first time in New York. Actually, my first time traveling alone.
Oh, how exciting. Welcome to the city.
Is everything okay?
I'm not seeing your reservation in our system.
What? But I booked it 2 months ago.
Let me check again. What date did you book for?
Today, November 15th.
Nothing under that name. Do you have a confirmation number?
Yes. Hold on. I have the emails somewhere. Here, this is my confirmation.
Oh, I see the problem.
You found it?
Well, yes and no. This reservation is for the Grand Plaza Hotel
Yes.
in Los Angeles.
What? This is the Grand Plaza, New York. Oh no. Oh no. I booked the wrong city?
Hey, it's okay. This happens more than you think.
But now I don't have a room, and it's almost midnight, and I don't know anyone here.
Don't panic. We're going to fix this.
How?
Let me check if we have availability. Give me 1 second. Okay, good news and bad news.
Bad news first.
We only have 1 room left tonight.
And the good news?
It's available, but it's our deluxe suite.
That sounds expensive.
Hold on. Let me talk to my manager. Wait right here. Okay, I have good news.
Really?
My manager approved a special rate for you.
How much?
Same price as a standard room.
Wait, the suite for a standard room price?
Yup. Consider it our Welcome to New York gift.
Are you serious?
Completely serious. We don't want your first trip to be a disaster.
Thank you so much. You have no idea how stressed I was.
All right, let's get you checked in. I'll need your passport and a credit card.
Here you go.
Perfect. So, you'll be staying how many nights?
3 nights.
Great. And will you need help with luggage?
Oh, is that free?
Yes, our bellhop will take your bags up to your room.
That would be amazing, actually. These are really heavy.
No problem at all. Now, I need to put a hold on your credit card.
A hold?
Yes, it's like a temporary charge for incidentals.
Incidentals?
Extra charges like room service, minibar, movies.
Oh, how much is the hold?
$100 per night, so $300 total.
Will I get that back?
Yes, if you don't use those services, it's released when you check out.
Okay, that makes sense.
Perfect. What time do you usually wake up?
Around 8? Why?
I'm setting your room preferences, so housekeeping doesn't disturb you too early.
Oh, that's thoughtful.
We try. And would you like a wake-up call?
Is that still a thing?
We still offer it, but most people use their phones now.
Yeah, I'll use my phone.
Let me tell you about our amenities.
Amenities?
Facilities and services. We have a gym on the 5th floor, pool on the roof, and a restaurant on the ground floor.
A rooftop pool? In November?
It's heated. Amazing city views at night.
That sounds Incredible.
Breakfast is served 6 to 11 a.m. It's included in your rate.
Oh, perfect.
Wi-Fi password is on this card. It's free throughout the hotel.
Great, I need that for work.
And here's a map of the neighborhood. Best restaurants, subway stations.
You guys think of everything.
We try. Oh, one more thing.
Yes?
Your room is on the 18th floor. Elevators are just over there.
18th floor. Fancy.
You got the suite, remember? Best view in the hotel. Here are your key cards. You get 2,
Why 2?
in case you lose one, or if you're traveling with someone.
Smart.
Don't put them near your phone or credit cards.
Why not?
They can demagnetize, then they won't work.
Oh, good to know.
If that happens, just come back and I'll reprogram them.
Okay.
Also, keep one with you always. Some hotels require a key card to use the elevator.
Does this hotel?
For floors 15 and above, yes.
Security?
Exactly.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
I'm only here for 3 days. What should I absolutely see?
Oh, I love giving recommendations. Have you been to New York before?
Never.
Okay, so definitely Times Square. It's touristy, but you have to see it.
Is it close?
About 10 minutes walking.
Perfect.
Central Park is beautiful, even in November.
How far is that?
15-minute subway ride.
And the subway is safe?
Very safe. Just stay aware, like any city.
Good to know.
Oh, and the 9/11 Memorial. It's powerful and free.
I'd like to see that.
I'll write down the subway directions for all of these.
You're so helpful.
That's my job, making sure you have a great stay.
What about food? I'm starving.
It's pretty late. Most places are closed.
Oh no.
But our restaurant is open till midnight.
Is it expensive?
Honestly, a bit. But there's a pizza place next door that's open 24 hours.
New York pizza.
Exactly. It's called Tony's. Tell them Carlos sent you. They might give you a discount.
Really?
Worth a try. Tony's my cousin.
No way.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's everything. Room 1805. Here's your key cards. Breakfast is included. Pool is open till 10 p.m.
Thank you so much, Carlos. You literally saved my trip.
Just doing my job.
No, seriously. I was about to cry when I realized I booked the wrong city.
I could tell. That's why I wanted to help.
You went above and beyond.
Everyone deserves a good first trip. New York should give you good memories, not stressful ones.
You definitely made it good.
And hey, tomorrow morning, when you wake up, open those curtains first thing. 18th floor suite. You'll see the whole city. Central Park on one side, Manhattan skyline on the other.
Seriously?
Best alarm clock in New York. No phone needed.
Now I can't wait for morning.
That's the spirit. Enjoy your stay. And if you need anything, just call the front desk.
I will. Oh, wait. One more thing.
Yes?
What's the checkout time?
Standard checkout is 11 a.m., but since you have the suite, I can extend it to 1 p.m.
You're doing it again.
Doing what?
Going above and beyond.
Just making sure you enjoy every minute. New York deserves at least that.
Thank you again, Carlos. Truly.
Oh, Mia,
Yeah?
welcome to New York.
Thanks, Carlos.